So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel MD Learnings, and today I am going to show you what is the use of subtotal function, how to use it. So before we have seen the function like dsum, daverage and dcount. So these functions I have already showed you in the last video. Okay, so today I will show you how to use subtotal function. So let's start. So what first I will do is I will just show you one thing. I will add some rows here. Okay, now first for the sum, what we are doing for the sum, if I want the sum of this total sales, so just we are giving the same formula and we will just select and we'll just press enter. So this will give my total sum of the total sale column. Now same way, not same way, I will show you what is the difference between this the sum and subtotal. Okay, so first we will give the function subtotal. Okay, now select this subtotal. Okay, and in subtotal you can see, just press on this function. So you can see there are two arguments, one is function num and second one is a reference. So what we have to give in this function num, so we need to give the function which we are going to use. Okay, so one thing first, like what you are going to do, we have to give only numbers. Okay, you no need to type sum or average or anything, just you have to give the number. So what number we have to give? So you can see here, just click on this help on this function and you will get one screen in which if you will go down, okay, if you will go down, you can see the function num, what is the value of these functions. Like average, if you are going to give 1, if you will give 1, you can use the function average. If you are going to use 2, you will get the function count. Okay, same for I am going to use sum. So for the sum function, the function num is 9, but this side one more numbers are there. So in this, using this numbers, you can include the hidden rows. If you have hidden any rows in this data, if any row is hidden, so you can use that also. Okay, you can calculate the sum of the hidden rows also, and same for this. Okay, if you are going to use these nums, it will ignore the hidden row. Okay, it will ignore the hidden row. So same, we have to give the function num. So for the sum, what is the function num? One more thing you can do, no need to go there, just type the subtotal function, and in this you can see the different function. What is the function numbers? Like for the average it is 1, for the count it is 2, for the count it is 3, max it is 4. So I'm going to use the sum first. So for the sum it is 9, so just press 9, select 9. Now give the reference, like which column you want sum. So I want the total sales column, so just select the total sales and just press enter. So you can see, okay, here the value is, we got the total sum of the total sales column. The same, but what is the difference? Here also we got the same, and in this also we got the same. So what is the difference in that? Like if we are using subtotal for the sum and if we are using the normal sum function, what is the difference? So the difference is, I will show you. Just apply filter in this heading and just change the division, select only one division. Okay, I will select each division. So now you can see the subtotal, where the function I have used, the value changed, means this one is not going to change. Okay, you have taken the sum of the total sales, so it will take the all the rows, all the columns it will take. Okay, all the rows it will take, all the cells, whatever cells are there in subtotal, it will calculate the sum using these values, and it will not exclude any cell. But if we are using subtotal, and it will, the subtotal function while using, the value will change, because if you are using filter and if you want a proper category, what is the total sum. So if you will change the filter, if you will change the division, if you select a particular division or category, then the value will change. It will automatically calculate according to the selected criteria. Okay, not like a sum. So only the particular, only the defined value it will take. It will take the whatever category you have defined or you have selected, only the that part it will take. Apart from that, nothing. So if I want like my north, so as you can see, the value changed. And if in this also, if I will select the category like contractors, so you can see the value changed. So this was the way how we are using subtotal. Okay, so I hope you learn this, and this is very helpful. So thank you so much for watching this, and hope you like this video and you learned something. And if you like, please do like and subscribe to my channel, and see you soon in my next video. And don't forget to hit the bell icon also. Bye bye.